Hello, welcome to Mighty Underdogs. I'm Donna Hover Ojeda. I'm your lead instructor on developing your growth formula, getting from vision to execution. And you can get the form. It is a free form that we provide for you so that you can take a look at it and try to do it yourself. It is called the growth formula. You can download that, take a look at it, and get familiar with it. And then if you want more, you can sign up for this course. And it is designed as a 8-hour course, not all at one time. It is 4 2-hour sessions. And we do those once a week. So we can get through your growth formula and get it put together and get it established for you so that you have it done completely and fully detailed the way that it needs to be done. We'll practice each of the sessions, really ask you the interview questions of how to get those answers and what answers should they be, and does it all match, and does it align, and does it fit who you are, and is it really describing what your company is and the vision that you have in place for your company. So looking forward to seeing you. Sign up and let's get started. We only have, I take a maximum of 4 people. It is not pre-recorded. I run the classes myself just for you. If you're just one person, up to 4, so that we can really make these independent and specialized, customized just for you. So look forward to seeing you when you sign up and getting in touch with you, and we'll get started. Looking forward to talking to you. Thank you.